Mr. or Mrs. Wolf. Teacher sets the game area called the forest. Game starts with 1 or 2 students as wolves. All other students are on the forest edge dribbling basketball. Teacher calls out a number, and students must take that number of steps into the forest and then continue dribbling. Teacher does this a few times, and suddenly teacher yells, "Wolf!" Then Wolf tries to tag the student. Tagged student becomes Wolf and the game continues. Start the game over every 2 minutes. Students keep own score of numbers of times tagged. Lowest score wins.